Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's gonna be a Christmas wreath. Now, this wreath, I'm so happy I did it. It came out gorgeous. The first thing I grabbed was the styrofoam from the Dollar Tree. All my supplies was from the Dollar Tree. So go ahead and make a list and pick out your favorite ornaments and let's get started. I picked up this garland and it's 20 feet long. So I'm so excited. All I did was hot glue it. Make sure your hot glue gun is running like always to the styrofoam. So we're going to add a little bit of hot glue and go round and round until you finish all of your garland. Don't be scared. Use the whole thing. The better you cover it, the better it looks. Now you can also paint your styrofoam and you can also use ribbon. It's up to you. But this garland did a trick and I'm so happy that I thought of it. So it came out super cute. I'm super happy. This year I'm using red, so the theme is going to be all red. I picked up ornaments. In the beginning of the video, I showed you a quick little picture of all the amounts that I picked up. So you could go ahead and make a list and go pick out your favorite ornaments. Look at how cute it is already. Now you can also make it a little tighter if you want, or I made it with gaps just so it would be easier to punch in the ornaments. The first one I picked up was a 15 piece in this gorgeous red, mixed reds. It has glitter, it has shiny, and it has solids. So you can go ahead and prep the ornaments by taking off the little cap. We're going to remove all the caps off the ornaments. Now, one little quick tip is you can actually put in the ornament first to make the hole and then add the hot glue and it goes by so much faster. I learned this towards the end of the video, so I want to tell you the little tip. And look at how cute they are. Now, I picked up 3 sizes, the large, the medium, and the mini. These are the medium. So go ahead, we're going to take off all the caps just to have them nice and ready. Add a generous amount of hot glue, you guys. You do not want this to move, to fall out, or anything. So just add as much hot glue as you can. And then all you're going to do is jab it in slowly, because you don't want the ornament ripping in your hand. And it should go in. Now, remember, first put in the ornament and then add the hot glue. That is a tip that I learned towards the end. It makes everything go by so much faster, you guys. Trust me. And then give it some time to dry. And we're going to go ahead and make the first inner ring. So we're going to use the medium size to do the inner ring. Go ahead and add one next to each other. It comes out perfect. So remove all your caps and then get started. Make sure you mix them. Don't add the same. Don't add like 2 glitter ones together. Just go ahead and mix everything. Add a glitter, a solid, a shiny one, and then start it all over again. Just so everything is nice and scattered. I will be putting this video in my playlist under Christmas DIY. Go ahead and check it out. I'm doing a ton of Christmas videos. All my videos are Christmas until Thanksgiving, I want to say. Then I'll start something else. But yeah, go ahead and check it out under my playlist. I have hauls, I have DIYs. I have another wreath that I'll be coming up with, which I'm super excited about. I have baskets. Go ahead and check out my 12 days of Christmas, It's going to be so much fun. So just go ahead and make sure you push the garland out of your way. The garland is just a little filler, just so none of the green shows, of course. Oh, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. And give me a thumbs up, you guys. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not, thanks for sticking around. So let's go ahead and fill the whole thing up. Take your time, you guys. There's no rush when you do these little arts and crafts project, because you want everything to come out nice. So go ahead and do the inner circle. And voila. Look at how cute it looks already. So now for the outer circle, I'm going to go ahead and use the 7-piece set. And they actually sell them in 2 kinds of red. I picked up both kinds just so I could mix everything up. Like always, I wanted this to be nice and red. since I am adding red this year to all my ornaments and all my decorations. Last year it was silver and white. So I decided to go ahead and add some color, and I went back to the original red, of course. So there you go. Make sure you remove all the caps off of them just to get started. Make sure you add a generous amount of hot glue because you don't want this moving. If you feel that anything is moving, go ahead and add hot glue once you put it in around it and hold it for a couple of seconds, and the glue should hold it tight. Now we're going to add this layer on the outside of the ring. See, it should go in nice and smooth. Remember what I told you, punch it in first and then add the hot glue. It just goes by so much faster, you guys. And then if it moves, hold it in a couple of seconds, and look at how cute it's already turning out. This is so gorgeous. I speed up the video just a little bit just so the video won't be too long. But this red ornament right here is so gorgeous. In person, it is way nicer. It's like a dark ruby red, the ornament, and I'm so happy I picked them up. And I'm happy I found them at the dollar store. So yeah, I end up spending, I want to say $9 on this wreath, and it looks like it's worth at least 45 bucks. It's gorgeous, you guys. So go ahead and do the outer layer, and voila. See how I'm almost there? I'm going to add one more. And the wreath is already taking its beautiful shape naturally. Don't be scared. Grab your wreath. It's not going to fall apart. And then we're going to go ahead and add another layer. I'm going to be using the big ones as well. And I'm going to go around the top of the wreath. Go around the whole top and make sure you put one of the big ornaments. And hold your wreath down. Don't be scared. I don't want nothing moving. And there you go. Take it all the way around. Just like that. Don't worry about any gaps. I'm going to show you right now how we take care of the gaps. Just remember to go all the way around on the top. Keep adding until you reach the end. Be generous with the glue. Just add a ton of glue and punch it in. If you're having a hard time punching it in, twist it in. But remember what I told you, make the hole first and then go back and add the hot glue and just pop it in. It's way easier. I did not figure this out to the end, so I'm telling you right now, so you could go ahead and do that. And then look how cute it's coming out. Now go all the way around. And there you go. I'm halfway there. So go ahead and make the hole first. Just twist it in. It should go in. Don't get scared. Bring it out. Add the hot glue. And then put it in again. I figured that out right now. And look how easy it's going to start just sliding in. Hold it for a couple of seconds and keep going till you do the whole thing. And there you go. Now, I showed you in the beginning a picture of the supplies I got, and actually I used everything. Everything I brought for this wreath, I used it all. Nothing was left over, and I needed everything. I was lucky enough that two of the ornaments, actually one came in broke and the other one broke, and yet I had enough to finish this video, so I was happy with the amount I got. I used everything I had. Nothing was left over. I didn't want anything lying around, so I wanted to use everything I bought for this wreath and just add it to the wreath. Don't say, oh, I'm just going to save this. And don't. Add everything you have to your wreath. The fuller, the better it looks. So go ahead and add everything. And there you go. See how cute it already took shape? The next thing I'm going to be adding are these 16 pieces of the mini ornaments. I bought 2 cases of these ornaments, and I'm happy I did. I used every one I had, and I had some leftover of the medium size from the middle ring, and I used them all as well. Now, the little ones, we're going to go ahead and add them as a filler. Anywhere you see an open hole, add it. Now, for this one, you need to add the glue halfway through the ornament. Don't add it on the top. Add it like a third of the top of the ornament. That way it could hold on nice and tight. Don't do the same mistake I did. Add it halfway through the ornament, the glue, and it should hold nice and tight. And let's start filling it in. Anywhere you see green, an open spot, a hole, go ahead and add a mini ornament. So I'll show you right here, the glue right there. That's a good place to add the glue because it holds nice and tight. And then go ahead and start filling in your wreath. Use them all. Do not save anything. Like I said, go ahead and add everything. When you think you cannot add another ornament, find a place to add it. That's exactly how I do my stuff. Don't save anything. Whatever you brought for this project, add to the project. Go ahead and just start filling in anywhere you need to fill in. Look at how cute these little ornaments are. They're so cute. Hold it a couple seconds. It should dry really fast. And this glue gun, I got it for my birthday from my hubby. So it works awesome, let me tell you. My other one just died on me. It only lasted like a year and then it died. So I'm really happy I received that one for my birthday because I already started using it and it's amazing. Anywhere you think you need to add glue, go ahead and add it. Trust me, the glue dries clear, so nothing is going to show. I use the Gorilla Glue, and it dries clear. And I get it at Walmart, and I also pick it up when I go to, I also get it delivered from Amazon. Now, with these little mini ornaments, be careful not to burn your hand, you guys. I did burn my hand once or twice, but just be careful when you're doing that. If you're little, go ahead and ask your parent and ask them to fill in the little spots for you. And look at how cute it is. The ornaments are just a little filler. And voila. It came out super gorgeous. I am so happy I did it. I might actually make another one and put them in my window. You can hang this up with a hook. You can find those at Walmart, you guys. You can also use red ribbon and hang it up with red ribbon. If I do, I'll show you a picture on my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me there. It's DIY with Susie. You'll see different kinds of pictures there. You'll see pictures of projects before I post them. I like to give people a heads up. But yeah, I'll follow you back. Don't worry. But look at how gorgeous this came out. I am so happy with this. I am in love with it. I can't wait to hang it up. It is gorgeous. The color is just so beautiful and red. Go ahead and use everything you have. And yeah, I used everything. I saved nothing. And voila. I am in love with it. I hope you make one. I hope you can also give one to somebody for Christmas so they could put it in their house. That would be a nice little gift as well. Add a little ribbon on top, a little red ribbon, and give it to somebody. I'm sure they'll appreciate it and they'll love it. You can make it in any other color. They also sell different colors at the Dollar Tree. And if you want a special color, go ahead and order it on Amazon. I'm sure they'll have it there as well. But yeah, this one's going to be hanging in my window or on my door. I'm not sure yet, but most likely my window. Because I will be making another wreath that I will be hanging on my door. You guys, I can't wait for that wreath. And yes, I will make a video and share with you. Any comments and questions, just go ahead and message me or write them down below. Or message me on Instagram. I have a lot of views on Instagram, so hey. So yeah, all I'm doing is finishing up the filler, adding anywhere I need to add. And there you go. And voila, I am done. I have two more that I'm going to add, and that's it. I was actually looking to see where to add this, and I actually did find a spot, which I'm happy because it's nice and full, just how I like my ornaments, nice and full and fat. That's exactly how I like my DIY projects, overflowing. I don't know why, but I do. But yeah, it came out nice. So yeah, just turn it around, you guys, until you find somewhere. And I did. And voila, this is the final. And it is so gorgeous. I am so happy with it. And until next time, bye, you guys.